Hey everyone, how's it going? Today I'm going to give you guys an Atome credit card review, if it is worth it or not. If you don't know by now, this is more of a buy now pay later type of card, and it works like a credit card. You have to pay for everything like 9 days after, but the installment rates are like way too high. Still, there is no annual fees, no rewards and no promos, but installment rates are there. It doesn't need any income, so basically if you don't have any income doc present but you just need a card like a credit card clone, it will be good for you. And at first you need to only make what do you call it, small purchases, because obviously you cannot make a 1 million purchase for it, like choosing pay later. In the beginning you have to pay for small amounts, and over time that restriction will be lifted after they verify, okay, this individual is trustworthy. But I would say don't misuse that. And also another thing is that paying for your dues is unconventional. You have to use like provided account number, and the most annoying thing is that you'll get a lot of calls from their collecting agents. They'll bug you every 3 days, even if your due has like no payment. And yeah, this is it for the video. Go for it if you don't have any other option, but if you do, you can search for another one. And this is it for the video. Thanks for watching. Please leave a like and subscribe for more tutorials like this, and I'll see you guys in the next one.